I need to confirm lang. And ma-add na siya dito ulit. Okay, so today pag-uusapan natin itong mga recent developments dito kay Gumball. Sa kanilang Discord, meron ditong nakaraang Gumball Expo as well as yung announcements dito sa kanilang bagong game, no? So, ito yung runner event as well as itong, I think tapos na ito, runner event guys, no? So, you can just go here naman sa kanilang Twitter or X, and then andito yung pinaka details, no? So this is on March 15 and meron ditong bagong Instagram runner event naman. Ayan, so pag-uusapan natin yan today guys, and yung bagong redeem code dito sa may quest, no? So i-claim din natin today itong 3,200 MMs, no? As well as yung code, so pwede nyo nang ilagay yung code na ito. But before we start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to guys, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So for now, punta muna tayo dito guys kay Gumball, no? So nandito tayo ngayon sa may mystery marbles, no, that we can get ito. So for now, I'll just need to get lang ito, and as of the moment, meron tayo dito 3,200 na nakuha ulit, which is the mystery marbles, no? So just I need to confirm lang and ma-add na siya dito ulit. So ano yung mga recent updates dito guys, no, saan you can just get these mystery marbles. So like for example, sa kanilang Discord, meron ditong event, no? The past few days, we're in the runner event. They released the 3 new games and it is the best time for game event, no? Just like need to press home lang, and pagkatapos nyan, you can get nung points, no? And then fill out ka lang ng form, and pagkatapos niyan yung pina-prize pool dito guys na rewards is the 10,000 mystery marbles, no? So that's other option to get mystery marbles dito. Andito naman yung pinaka-details guys sa kanilang Discord, no? So pagkatapos niyan, meron din silang community event na kung saan meron silang ginawa dito na Gumball Expo, no? So I think this is Vietnam. Andito naman yung pinaka-details, and this already done as I think, no? So I think it was a success event dito. You can just also write a marketing proposal and other details dito. So you can just go in here sa kanilang Discord under announcement and community announcement guys. So andito naman yung mga details wherein you can get those informations na kailangan natin. And also guys, dito sa my quest, ayan, meron ditong Ama with Venus. So yung pinaka-code, you can just copy lang naman ito. How do you like your steak? Yung pinaka-code na. And then pagkatapos nyan, you can just tap submit and you can redeem or you can get the hype dito guys, no? So it can also help to claim yung mystery marbles dito. Aside from daily check-in, hit the balloon, is that we can get mystery marbles dito guys, no? For the potential airdrop nitong si Gumball. And other updates pa dito guys, yung guessing game nila na Dare, yung pinaka-ranking nila dito as of the moment, nasa 2,965 yung ranking ko dito. I have this mystery marbles. Ito lang tayo dito sa my page. Ito yung pinaka-status ng page ko as of the moment. Ayan. So you can just check this out. I think daily lang naman ito. This is just free sa quest. Kung gusto magpa-level up din dito, kailangan updated or active ka sa kanilang Discord just to get those role, no? Yun. This is only a quick update dito guys kay Gumball Games. A potential airdrop. Again guys, I just want to give perspective, ideas, update dito for this potential airdrop guys, no? So sa Instagram as well, meron din pala sila ditong ginawang campaign, no? Itong kay Space Kids 5555. So you can just also complete ito. Simple as that guys. Hope you get some ideas dito. Kung meron kayo mga questions, feel free to ask lang dito sa ating comment section. That's it for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayo lahat. Peace out. Bye friends.